In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide drawings in Tradingview, an essential skill for those who wish to declutter their charts and focus on specific data points of interest. Navigating through a myriad of lines, annotations, and graphs can become overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with complex analysis or multiple layers of information. So, having the ability to selectively hide certain elements on your chart can significantly enhance your trading experience and allow you to concentrate on what truly matters at any given moment. First, let's begin by directing your attention to the Drawing Tools toolbar, typically located on the left side of your Tradingview interface. Within this handy toolbar, you'll find an icon that resembles an eye. This icon is critical for managing your chart's visual clutter. By clicking on the eye icon, you'll open a menu that provides various options for controlling the visibility of your drawings. Once you've opened this menu, you'll be presented with a choice that is both simple and incredibly useful: the option to hide all your drawings at once. If your chart is currently overwhelmed with annotations and you need a clean slate to assess current market data, selecting Hide Drawings will temporarily conceal every drawing on your chart. This action is particularly useful during those moments when you need a fresh perspective on your data without the distraction of every past drawing or tool cluttering your view. On the other hand, total concealment might not always be necessary. Tradingview gives you a finer level of control should you wish to hide only specific types of drawings or tools. Just below the Global Hide option, you'll notice there are checkboxes corresponding to each of the tools you've used. For instance, if you have trend lines or Fibonacci retracements on your chart that you'd like to keep or discard separately, you can simply uncheck the specific boxes related to them. This way, you maintain versatility, keeping important drawings visible while hiding others that are not relevant for your current analysis. This ability to customize visibility based on your immediate needs can save you a lot of time and reduce visual clutter, making it easier to analyze necessary market shifts and trends without distraction. Whether you're conducting a thorough analysis or just need to make a quick decision, understanding how to efficiently hide and manage your drawings in Tradingview is invaluable. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully you found this demonstration helpful and, above all, easy to follow. Remember that mastering small tools like these can make a significant difference in your daily trading activities and enhance your overall Tradingview experience. Happy trading!